Choosing the right jack can be the difference between a quick tire change and a frustrating afternoon. So let's rank these options from the weakest to the strongest. Stick around because the top picks are much more versatile than they first appear. The Gurduenon comes in at number 5 because it's more of a roadside backup tool than a garage workhorse. It can lift up to 2 tons, and its compact size makes it easy to keep in a trunk. Its biggest strength is simplicity. For changing a tire in an emergency, it gives you the basic lift range most passenger cars need, and the included kit style makes it practical when storage space matters. The downside is that a scissor jack takes more effort, feels less stable than a hydraulic floor jack, and it's not the best choice for regular maintenance. Compared with the hydraulic options in this list, it's slower and less comfortable to use. This is the one to consider if you want a lightweight emergency jack, not a daily use garage tool. Next, we move to a hydraulic option that feels more like a real service jack. Links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. The DNA motoring jack takes the 4th spot because it steps up from a manual scissor design into a hydraulic trolley setup. That means less effort, smoother lifting, and better movement around the garage. Its 2-ton capacity is fine for many cars, and the low-profile design helps it slide under vehicles that sit lower than average. Compared with the Gurduenon, it's much easier to use and feels more suited for home maintenance. But the lift range is limited, topping out at 13 inches. That can be a problem if you need more working room, especially with the VEVOR and Powerbuilt options later in the ranking. This is a sensible pick for small cars, light maintenance, and buyers who want a basic hydraulic jack without going too heavy or too expensive. Before we move up, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. The Big Red lands in 3rd place because it brings serious lifting strength in a compact body. With a 4-ton rating, it has more capacity than the smaller trolley jacks here. That extra capacity is its main advantage. It's a strong choice for SUVs, trucks, and situations where a small 2-ton jack might feel underpowered. It also comes with a carrying case, which helps it with storage and portability. The trade-off is that this is a bottle jack, not a traditional floor jack. It usually needs more clearance under the vehicle, and it doesn't roll into position like a trolley jack. So even though it is strong, it's not always the easiest choice for low cars. Pick this one if lifting power matters more than low clearance or smooth garage maneuvering. Next up is a true low-profile floor jack with better everyday usability. The VEVOR takes 2nd place because it offers one of the best balances in this lineup. It's a true floor jack, it has a 2.5-ton capacity, and it starts low enough to fit under many cars that taller jacks can't reach. In daily use, that low 3.35-inch starting height makes a big difference. It rolls into place, lifts smoothly, and gives you more garage-friendly control than the Big Red bottle jack or the Gurduenon scissor jack. Its main limitation is that it still doesn't lift quite as high as the strongest all-in-one option in this ranking. Also, as a single-piston hydraulic jack, it's practical, but not as fast or feature-packed as some premium dual-piston designs. This is the one I would point most car owners toward if they want a normal floor jack for routine use. But the final product adds something different. It combines lifting and holding in one unit. The Powerbuilt earns the top spot because it's more than just a jack. It combines a hydraulic bottle jack with a built-in jack stand, which makes it especially useful when you want lifting and support in one compact tool. Its 3-ton capacity is strong, and the 11 to 21-inch lift range gives it the highest maximum lift in this group. For trucks, SUVs, vans, and higher clearance vehicles, that extra height can be a huge advantage. The catch is clearance. With an 11-inch minimum height, this is not the jack for low sports cars or lowered sedans. The VEVOR is much better for getting under low vehicles, while the Powerbuilt is better when height, support, and stability matter more. In my experience, this is the most specialized but also the most capable option here. If your vehicle has enough ground clearance, it feels like the strongest overall choice in this ranking. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and find the best current prices. And if this helped you choose the right jack, like the video and subscribe to the channel.